പഠിപ്പിച്ചത്. My name is Devas. I am 5 years old. I am studying in UKG. My school name is J.P. Riya S. Genji. I am studying UKG. I am 5 years old. My school is LPS Pandayatut. My father name is Genji. My mother name is Sandhya. പുറത്തറി അകമില്ല പുറമില്ല എട്ടില്ല വട്ടയില്ല Hello everyone, I am Mango. Everyone, I am Manoranjan. I am sweet and juicy. I am full of vitamin C. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, I am Grace. I am so